श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्। ॐ मुनित्रयं नमस्कृत्य तदुक्तिः परिभाव्य च वैयाकरणसिद्धान्त कौमुदीयं विरच्यते। अ इ उन् ऋल् ऋक् ए ओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् लण् ञमङननं झभञ् घढधश् जवगडधश् खफचटथ चटतौ कपै श ष सर् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि सु औजस् अम् औक्षस् टाभ्यां भिस् ङेभ्यां भ्यस् नसिभ्यां भ्यस् नस् ओस् आम् ङि ओस् सुप्. So we were seeing बहुवचने झल्येत राम प्लस भ्यस् रामेभ्यः ससुषुरु करवसानः विसर्जनीयः. ओके, अथ पंचमी विभक्तिः. नेक्स्ट ही इज गोइंग टू द पंचमी विभक्ति. तत्र उपदेशाज्जानुनासिक इति नसेः नकारः इत्. उपदेशाज्जानुनासिक इत् with this the nakara is it and tasya lopah. It, the prayojan of it is tasya lopah. Nakarastu lashakvatadite it. Nakara will become lopa. Nakara will become lopa in nasa because of lashakvatadita and because it is becoming it tasya lopah. Okay, tasya lopah. तद उभय उच्चारणं तु नसिंगसोः ङेज्ञिति इति आदि अर्थम. Then why do you have to bring in itself nakara itself? If you just throw it away, why do you need it? And the utility of that nas is said here, that that nas is used because that nas is said there in the sutra because for the sutra nasingasoho smatspinoho and ghergniti, these sutras we need nas. Tang nasingasam ityadi am at savarna dirgha. Then tang nasing, for nas we have tang nasing asam ina at syah. Nasi gets at. Okay, so rama plus nasi, rama plus as, rama plus at, rama plus at, then akasavarna dirgha ramat, savarna dirgha, that is what it is. Okay, ramat, that is the rupa there. Then jastvamiti. So that is why exactly he said jastvam. He didn't say explain everything, he just said jastvam. Ramat, after ramat we have jash. Jhalam jashonte. Jhalam jashonte makes it a ramad. So that is why he says jhalam jashonte iti nityateya jashtvam praptam. So jhalam jashonte makes it compulsorily jash. So in this situation tad apavadaschartvam vikalpya arabhyata ityartha. So now jash is compulsory. There is a possibility of char also. So this sutra is brought in. Okay, vavasane, bhavasane, bhavasane, va avasane, va avyaya, avasane, saptami. So when avasana follows, what happens? Avasane pare jhalam charo vasyuhu. When avasana is there, avasana is blank. So blank space is called as avasana. So when avasana follows, what happens is jal becomes char. Okay, jal becomes char. We saw it through sutra viramo avasanam. Okay, viramaha, viramans space. Okay, rama plus at, ramat, ramad, ramad, va avasane vikalpa ramad, ramad, two forms. Okay, dvitve rupa chatuštayam. If you are going to bring anachicha also, then we will have two forms, ramat, ramad. Okay, then again dvitva of takara and dakara, ramat, ramad, two dakaras. Okay, you will not see that kind of form anywhere. It's just a waste of time. Just there is a sutra, so you are just using it, that's all. Otherwise this kind of takara form and dakara forms you are not going to see anywhere. रामाभ्याम, ठीक है. झलाम जश जशी इति झलाम इति अभ्यासे चर्चा इति तत् इत्यतश्च चर्चा इति अनुवर्तते. So from jalam जश जशी and अभ्यासे चर्चा we bring in the jal and char, jalam and char. So jalam charah vasyuh, va avasane, here itself you have the va, so vasyuh. Okay, tadaha avasana ityadina. That is what is it. Avasana ityadina etc. in the tika. Dvitva rupa iti. Takara takarayoho anachicha iti dvitve tadabhave cha rupa chatushtayam ityartha. So if anachicha, because ach followed by yer followed by anach, yer becomes doubled. So we have this situation. You have a ramat, there is there, and takara is there, and it is not followed by ach. So anachicha will definitely come here. So what happens is takara becomes doubled. If it is optionally doubled, then you have takara, one takara, two takara. If dakara is optional doubled, one dakara, two dakara. So 4 forms. That is why he says atra chartvapakshe dvitakaram ekatakaram cha rupam, jashtvapakshe dvidakaram ekatakaram cha. So if you bring in char, then there is takara takara, and when you bring in jash, then you have dakara dakara, 2 forms. Okay, rama bhyam. Next is rama plus bhyam, like in the 4th dvivachana, rama plus bhyam, supicha rama bhyam. Okay, rama plus bhyas again, rama plus bhyas. You have jhalam, no, बहुवचने झल्येत, राम प्लस ए, राम प्लस ए प्लस अस, राम प्लस ए प्लस भ्यस, रामेभ्यस, सशोरु करसनसर्जन रामेभ्यः. Okay, so we have the forms. What is that? रामात् रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः, रामात् रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः, रामात् रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः. You normally chant it as Ramad Ramad to remember. That's all. Okay. Rama Bhimrambi. Atha Sashti Vaktihi. Then 6th case. What we have is a nas. Nasoho Nakarasya Nasakudaditi Nat Itwam Lopaha. Similarly, Lasakudadite and Tasya Lopaha. We have a, because in Lasakudadite, because in Sashti Ekavachana also you have nas. Okay. Nakara Ucharam to Niti Raspascha ityadi artham. So Niti Raspascha, in this place you need a Nakara. So that is why we are bringing the Nakara here. Tangasing Nasam ityadi iti syadesham siddhavat krityaha. Ramasya, he just directly says Ramasya. How did Ramasya come there? Because ta nasi nasam, for nas, ina at sya comes. For nas, sya comes. So Rama plus nas, Rama plus as, Rama plus sya, Ramasya. That is why he says Ramasya. Sasya dityapakshe kharicha iti chartva abhyantara taratamyasya eva natu takaraha. So if we are going to see, like takara, dakara, because of anachicha became, so similarly here kharicha, if you are going to make sakara double, then you will have Ramatsya, because see, anachicha doubles it, and kharicha makes it when khar follows sakara is replaced with khar. So char. So takara will be the option. Takara, ta, because sakara is danta and takara is danta. So if we are replacing it with takara, then you will be left with the Ramatsya form. Okay, so he says natu takara, but the problem is sakara cannot be replaced with takara. Though the other prayatnas are there, abhyantra prayatnas are similar, but the bahya prayatna, the external effort is mahaprana and is alpaprana. So that changes the whole rule set. Alpapranataya maha prayatna bhedat. So alpaprana, because of this we have prayatna bheda. The bahyan abhyantra prayatna, abahya prayatna is different. Atha sashti iti. Okay, now I need this. Now you have sakarasya anachicha iti dvitve purva sakarasya kharicha iti chartvena dantasthanato antaratame takare sati ramatsya iti syadityataha. So the thing is sakarasya anachicha iti dvitve. So like in the previous sutra we did takara. Similarly here also sakara gets a same situation, same treatment. There is ach, sakara, yar, and then it's not followed by ach. So same treatment. sakara becomes doubled up. When sakara becomes doubled, then what happens is purva sakase karicha iti chartvena. The first sakara becomes a takara because of karicha. So chartvena dantasthanato antartame. So s is danta. Is danta. So takara is danta. So danta takara is sati. When takara takes place, ramatsya iti syadityatah. Ramatsya will be the form. For that he says na. Why? Alpa pranasya iti. Sakara sakara eva iti sa eva iti. Sakara only takes place natu sa eva, means sakara eva. Natu takara. Takara does not take place. Why? He says eva kara vyavartyamaha. Why do you have to say eva? What are you differentiating it from? Because eva, if you say only, means you are differentiating it from something else. What are you differentiating it from? So he says natu takara, from takara. What is that? No. Dantasthanatah shwasa. Wait. Is danta. T is danta. So there is a similarity. And not just that. Shwasa, aghosha, vivaratmaka, bahya prayatnascha antaryam takare api avishtam. In takara, like sakara, all the prayatna is same. So why do you antar prayatna is same? So why do you have to say no, not takara? See, ityataha alpa pranasyati. Sakara sthani mahaprana. Takarastu alpa prana. The sthani sakara is mahaprana. And the replacement which is coming there, adesha, is alpa prana. So there is a huge amount of contradiction. Atha bahya prayatna bheda takaro na bhavati. Therefore, takara will not take place. Bahya prayatna, there is a difference, huge difference. Idam upalakshan. This is a pointer to something. What is the pointer? This is the rule we have to follow in other places also. Abhyantara prayatna bhedadapi sakarasya takaro na bhavati iti drashtavyam. Even though there is abhyantara prayatna bheda, sakara will not become takara. That is the idea. Atएव iti. Atएव sahasi iti tadesha arabhyate. That is why there is dahasi dhut, like that there is a sahasi sutra. So that sutra needs to be begun. Otherwise, see, if sakara will not get takara, then you need not start that sutra itself. That is why he says atayeveti. Vasanivase. Vasanivase is the dhatu. Vasanivase. I forgot it in Tamil. I don't make the people chant. Vasanivase. 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 To stay. House, etc. Okay. Vasati. Vasati, vasta, vasanti, etc. Ityadi dhatoh vatsyati ityado sakarasya sakare pare takaraha vidhiyate. In vatsyati, when sakara is followed by sakara, the purva sakara is replaced with a takara, with sahasi. Okay, like dahasi dhut. Yadi tu tatra kharicha iti sakarasya takarah sya tarhi tad vidhanam anarthakam syat ityah. If kharicha itself will take care of it, then why do you have to bring in another sutra? That's useless. That sutra itself will become redundant. Rama plus os. Next is Rama plus os. Rama plus os. A plus o. Itiste vriddhau praptaya. We get vriddhi. A plus o, vriddhi. Okay. So, osi cha. Next sutra comes. Osi cha. Osi cha. Osi cha. Osi cha. Two pada sutra. Cha is avya. Osi saptami. Okay. Osi pare. Ato angasya ekara syat. When os follows, adanta anga becomes ekara. Like we saw in the bahuvachana, here in os, dvivachana. Okay. Osi cha. So, Rama plus os. Rame plus os. A plus O, ichoyavayavaha, Ramai, Ram plus I plus Os, Ramayos, Ramayos, Ramayoho. Okay? Tika. Ramayoho rupam. Ato angasya ityartha. Osi cha iti. Ato dirgho yai ityataha ata iti anuvartate. Angasya iti adhikritam. So, ato dirgho yai, from that you bring in the ataha. And angasya is adhikara. Bahuvachane jalyat iti ed iti anuvartate. From bahuvachane jalyat ed you carry forward. Tada osi pare ityadina. That is what is said, osi pare, when os follows. Ataha angasya iti. Adanta angasya ityartha. Atanga means adantanga, always. Okay. So Rame plus os iti ste ayadesham rutva visargaucha siddhavat krityaha. So Rame plus os, in this situation I. A becomes I. Achoyavaha. A becomes I. Ram plus I. Ramai plus Os. Ramai Os. Ramayos plus Ramayos. There's Rutu Visarga Ramayoho. Okay. Ramayoho iti. Then Rama plus Am. Bahuchana Am. Rama plus Am. It is the Savarna Dirgha Prate. A plus A. Akasavarna Dirgha. When this situation, he says, next sutra, Rasvanadhyapo Nut. ह्रस्वनद्यापो नुट ह्रस्वनदी आपो नुट ह्रस्व नदी आपः नुट ह्रस्वांत शब्द नद्यंत शब्द नदी is a संज्ञा okay नद्यंत शब्द and आबंत शब्द for this nut agama comes okay आद्यंतो टकितो टित्वात् आदि ह्रस्वांतात् नद्यंतात् आबंतात् च अंगात् परस्य आमः नुट आगमः स्यात्. So when followed by Rasvanta or Nadyanta or Abanta, up top chap, Srilinga, okay, Ajat is top. So you have that arm will become, arm will get Nut Agama. Nut in Nukta, Takara is stit for Adyanta Tokito, and Ukara is Upadesha Jananasigite. So you will have only Nakara. In plus arm, Nam, okay, Rama plus Nam, that is the situation. ह्रस्वस्येति टीका ह्रस्वस्येति ह्रस्वश्च नदी च आप च इति समाहारद्वन्द्व दिग्योगे पंचमी. That is समाहारद्वन्द्व and ह्रस्वनद्यापः is panchami actually दिग्योगे पंचमी. That is the sutra. Okay, so दिग्योगे पंचमी is the sutra. Because of that it becomes panchami. Nut is the adesha prathama. Parasya iti adhyaharyam. We have to carry forward the you have to infer parasya word. Angasya adhikatam panchamya viparanimate. Angasya adhikara sutra. It is transferred into fifth case. Rasvadbihi visheshyate. And rasva etc. becomes adjective for that angat. So rasvantat angat. So because of that tadanta vidhi takes place. Fifth case tadanta vidhi. Whatever follows, that is the idea. Okay. Ami sarvanamna iti ami ityanvartate. Ami sarvanamna sut from that ami is carried forward. Tacha ubhay nirdeshe panchami nirdesho valiyan iti nyaya tasmad ityuttara siddhi shashthyantam sampadyate. And there are fifth case. See, sutra is a complicated sutra. There is fifth case, there is seventh case. There is no sixth case here. Fifth case, seventh case, and prathama, first case. So we always replace sixth case with first case. In fifth case is followed by sixth case is replaced by first case. If seventh case is preceded by sixth case, then sixth case is replaced by first case. That is the simple rule we followed. Now here there is no sixth case at all. So there is a nyaya, there is a paribhasha. Ubhay nirdeshe, panchami nirdesho valiyan. So when fifth and seventh case are both specified in the sutra, then fifth case become powerful and knocks off the seventh case, and the seventh case becomes a sashti. That is why he says, iti nyayat tasmadityuttarasya, because tasmad, fifth case, is powerful. It retains its power. So, tasmadityuttarasya, when fifth case is said, then whatever follows the fifth case should be the sthani. It is sashtantam sambhita. That seventh case becomes sixth case. That's the idea. Nami. Yadaha rasvantadityadina. Okay. आम अत्र षष्ठी बहुवचनम एव न तु ङेराम इत्यादि विहितम इति भाष्ये स्पष्टम. So am is a षष्ठी बहुवचन and not ङेराम नद्यापो नीभ्यः. That's the sutra. So it is not coming from that sutra. That's the idea. Okay, that is made clear in the bhashya. Nuti takara it. In nut takara is it and ukara is uchcharanartha. Only nakara remains. Titvad adyavaya. Since it is tit takara it, we have it as adyavaya for am. In plus am nam. Rama plus nam it is te. In this situation, Rama plus nam, we have a nami. 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 Nami pare ajantangasya dirgha syat. When nam follows, the ajanta anga will become dirgha. Rama plus nam, Rama plus nam, Ramanam. So Rama plus nam, that is the situation. So he says, ढ्रलोप इत्यतः दीर्घ इत्यनर्थः ढ्रलोप पूर्वस्य दीर्घो नः फ्रॉम दैट सूत्र यू कैरी फॉरवर्ड द दीर्घ वर्ड and दीर्घ श्रुत्या च आच इति उपस्थितम् and where will दीर्घ be for which character दीर्घ will be applied not for hal it is only for ach so you infer ach also तेन च अंगम विशेष्यते the anga angस्य becomes vishesha for that ach okay so atah tadanta vidhi since it is a visheshya for ach it becomes tadanta vidhi okay see if it is visheshana one thing if it is visheshya it is another thing that is the idea okay tada ajantasya iti that is why it says ajantasya angasya dirghah syat nuti iti na sutritam he didn't say nuti he didn't he said only nami not nuti why he says ब्रियः किन नुट इच इति औनादिकम गण प्रत्यांते see in unadi sutra there is one sutra ब्रियः किन नुट च in that sutra गण प्रत्यय comes bringa shabde rikarasya dirgha patte there the bringa shabda the br rikara will become dirgha there is a possibility if it is said nut then bringa it will become not bringa because there is nut there also so when nut follows it should become dirgha if you say then in that nut follows therefore it will become ach r becomes r dirgha so bringa anganam pamanam ityadau tu na dirgha anganam pamanam there you don't bring dirgha it is anganam anganam or it's not anganam it's anganam or it is not a pamanam it is pamanam okay there dirgha will not take place because why arthavat grahana paribhashya arthavat eva namo grahanam arthavat nam only takes place this nami sutra only takes place when the pratipadika is arthavat dhatu apratyaya pratipadika right so only there it will take place pamadi lakshane na pratyaye tapi dvitiya ekavachane ami krute त्रयाणामपि प्रत्ययानां प्रत्येकम् अर्थवत्वेपि समुदायस्य अनर्थकत्वात् see even if you are going to do na pratyaya and top and dvitiya ekavachana in ami wherever so if for all these three pratyayanam all these three pratyas ami etc all these pratyas individually though they may have some meaning but in a collective way they don't have any meaning okay that is why he said it is said as nami we will see this ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ओम शांति शांति शांति